Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get unready with me, and I will be taking off my makeup and doing a mask with one of my favorite Fresh products. I'll be using the Fresh Sugar Face Polish. Okay, let's get started. Ooh. Hey guys, I'm back. I've just come out of the shower, so I'm gonna keep this mask on for probably the next couple of hours. I know it says to only leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it on till I go to bed, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. And yeah, my face is gonna be so smooth, so soft, so like plump, which is what we really love about this. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friend. In the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.